player fitness with you, and today we're gonna be covering up if you should do intermittent fasting and the benefits of this shit. Alright, we're gonna talk about the benefits, you know what I mean? Number one, weight loss and fat loss. I mean, guys, in our bodies, right? We go through these stages when we don't eat, and when we go through the stages when we don't eat, or we go to the ketosis and some glycogenous, some shit like that. Yeah. So like there's a stage or some period where our body instantly starts to go to fat burning mode to produce the energy, right? So that in turn makes us reduce the fat, right? And then weight loss is like simply like, come on guys, eat less, you gain less. You know what I mean? Right. Number two, lowered insulin levels or blood sugar levels. Guys, when like I forgot, I'm not sure why insulin is very important, right? I know it's important, but I'm not sure why. But I know it has something to do if your insulin levels are way too high, right? And then your body, your body it becomes used to that, and then becomes what people call insulin sensitive, insensitive, so that you tend to have a lot of sugar built up, and then end up having diabetes. That's what happens if insulin levels are too high. But like with this shit, it reduces the shit. It reduces your insulin levels, and then possibly help you deal with the diabetes. Now, before I continue, I don't want no diabetic nigga coming in say, Sean said I should do this shit. Nah, I didn't say that. I mean, that's some requirements that you gotta meet. And I kind of don't fit one, but I still do it. But I don't see shit happening except me getting tired from time to time. But I can deal with that. But otherwise, yeah, you get lowered sugar levels and insulin levels, right? And then next one is improved mental clarity for me. That's what I have. I mean, guys, to me, I think eating is just a waste of time. But I mean, like the first few times you do it, you're gonna be thinking about food constantly, right? That, but then when you get used to, your body gets used to the thing, right? It kind of like says, meh, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I could eat today, I could not eat today. I'm fine with that. But then when your body gets used to fasting, right, your mind instantly clears off the food right now straight to what you're doing, and shit like that. I mean, let's be real. I mean, sometimes when you be studying or doing some work, you be like, I am kind of hungry right now. Let me eat. Let me stop what I'm doing. Go and eat something. You see, then you take game time to prepare the food and like that. You see, that's not what I want in this shit. I don't want to do that shit. And then increase energy. Now, this depends on the person now because, like I said, sometimes when I switch, like sometimes I can be fasting, like I fast like out of some days I fast 5 days, right, and then like 2 day break, I don't fast. So the times when I don't fast, right, I get tired. Those times that you get tired and shit, I can't be doing work like that. I can't be grinding that hard, right? So for me, my energy levels sometimes when I switch up my schedule, it goes down. But then before you go up, when you keep it consistent, maybe because for me I don't keep it consistent, my body needs time to adapt to what like this, or there's abundance of food now and shit like that. Maybe that's why. But otherwise, I think maybe for you guys, it can also improve the energy levels. You know what I mean? And yeah, another one. Skin gets clearer. Your skin can get clearer through cellular cleansing. Because I mean, like when you do intermittent fasting, right? There's some period where your body is making your cells eat other cells and shit like that, or some shit like that. So that only the healthiest of the healthiest stay in your body, right? And then the weak damaged ones they get eaten off his food, right? So when that happens, when your strongest of the strongest, right? That's just can get cleared and shit like that. But now, I highly advise you go to speak to an adult about this shit, or if you're already an adult, talk to your doctor about this shit. Just ask him what would he recommend when it comes to this intermittent fasting and shit like that. And yeah, those are the benefits of the intermittent fasting. Now, it has some requirements. If you're a woman, you should be doing it if you're breastfeeding, if you're pregnant, if you have any eating disorders, both men and women, such as anorexia, if you're anorexic, on your diabetes. For diabetes, you gotta check it with your doctor, shit like that. What else? Insomnia, I think that's one of them. If you're not eating, I'm not 18. I still do this shit. I don't see any problems. I just maybe because of the protein and shit like that. I just take when I eat. I put in extra protein in my shit. That's why. Let's maybe I'll come back to the shit. But otherwise, that's it. That's it for the what you should do, who can't do it and who can, and yep, and a common thing for it. A common misconception about intermittent fasting is that you're starving yourself. I mean, no, you're not. I mean, like everyone does intermittent fasting, like. Like for example, let's say you start eating it. Let's say your last meal is 6, right? When you sleep at 9, alright, and then 6 to 9 you're not eating, right? That's 3 hours, and then from 9 to 7, that's I don't know, like 2, like what, 5 hours, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 hours. Shit. So 10 plus 3, that's 13 hours of not eating. So with that, if you wake up at 7, but then if you wake up at like I don't know, like 9 again, that's 12 hours. 12 plus 3, that's 15 hours of not eating. And yeah, that's why you didn't eat your breakfast. So you basically everyone does do intermittent fasting, but you know what I mean. Some do it during the day, some do it during the night, and that's why you think when you eat your breakfast, it's called breakfast. You're breaking your fast and shit like that. Alright, and now that's it for the video. Like, comment down below, subscribe if you want any more health related fitness videos. I'm making a playlist right now. This isn't a playlist right now. I think it has the one for cold showers and shit like that. I'm not sure, but yeah, I want to make more health related fitness videos and shit like that. And then yeah, that'll be it. Like, comment down below, subscribe for more health related fitness shit and other stuff. Check my playlist, got a playlist and that shit. I'll look back at your boy. See ya.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to